Hello, new original. It's called Let the Whiskey Rain. So let the whiskey rain, let it fall on my sins, so I can hold my chin high once again, even though it ain't real. Please God, let me feel whole again like I haven't in a long time. The days just slip through my hands. I caught the last bus home. I don't know where it leads, but this path I'm on, tripping slowly forward, but still 2 steps behind. So let the whiskey rain, let it drown my overactive mind. So let the whiskey rain, let it fall and drip down my spine. So let the whiskey rain keep filling the glass so I can empty my mind. So let the whiskey rain, I think that I'll have one more. So let the whiskey rain keep pouring and pouring and pouring and pouring and pouring. The days just slipped through my hands. I caught the last bus home. I don't know where it leads, but this path I'm on, tripping slowly forward, but still 2 steps behind.